YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget, so if you're into that sort of thing, remember to subscribe, like the videos that you enjoy, and click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post a new video. If you hear some noises in the background, the dogs are on the floor right next to me playing around, so that would be it. If I can get some footage of them playing around, I will do that, but otherwise you'll just see the unboxing of this amazing Louis Vuitton limited edition piece that I have for you. And that's all you'll get. We'll see. All right, it's in this box. It's a huge box for what it is. I ordered this from The RealReal, and I ordered it the same day. If you saw a recent video about the unboxing of the Fendi spy bag that went quite awry, I ordered this item on the same day as that, but they were shipped separately. And I do want to say that I paid $30 each for overnight shipping on each of those items, and the spy bag shipped the same day, but this one they didn't ship until the next day, even though I was before the noon Pacific time cutoff. And when I talked to customer service about the Fendi bag, I also asked them about the shipping on this, and the lady, I didn't even have to ask her for anything. I just said it shipped a day later than it should have, and I paid for overnight, and it really was more like 2 days, and she refunded me the entire $30. I thought maybe she'd give me the $10 difference between 1 and 2 day, but she just refunded the whole thing, so I thought that was very nice. So I'm hoping that The RealReal will redeem themselves with this, because like I said in the Fendi spy bag video, The RealReal is the seller that I buy the most from in terms of pre-loved luxury items. I have purchased the most and also found the best deals there, generally speaking. This was certainly a great deal. I'll tell you a little more about it once I open the piece and what I paid for it. But I jumped on this right away when I saw it because I knew some other people would too, and it would be gone. I knew other people would snatch it up if I didn't get it, so I jumped on it. This one was not final sale like most of their handbags are. A lot of the SLGs are not final sale. Things like shoes and clothes are not final sale, and this was not final sale. So if there is anything wrong, I can return it easily. It said it was in excellent condition with no signs of wear, so we'll see. And it also said that it came with the original box, so that is good too. And I expect that to be one of the old brown Louis Vuitton boxes. All right, I've already cut the tape open. Whoops. So let's go ahead and get this open. Oh, the box is kind of crinkly. Here's the paperwork, and this opens up, has a little pamphlet, and then my receipt is inside here. And actually, I'm looking at that, and that's not the box. That's a shopping bag. I've never gotten the store shopping bag from a pre-loved item before. That's interesting. It's cool. I like that. Excuse me, Roxy. Throw a bag on top of your head. Well, that's neat. It's pretty wrinkly, but who cares? It's a shopping bag. Cool. There we go. Got the little handles, and then inside it has the box, which is opened up a little bit. Let's take that out. Let me find the top. Oh, there's also the receipt inside, or at least the paper, the cover for the receipt. I don't know if the receipt is in it. Let's see. Yeah, there's a receipt in there. Let's see. Let me make sure there's no personal information on here before I show it to you. There's no price on it either. It's a gift receipt. It's from Saks. No price. It doesn't even say what the item is. It says Vuitton, LG, and AC. Not sure what that means. Oh, and purchase date. Let's look at that. It was purchased May 7th of 2016. I have never gotten this much with a pre-loved item before in terms of all the extras. So that's cool. This box will not close, so the box is a little too thin for the item. But it's do you remember when I opened the denim pleaty? It came in the same box, and that box was ripped. This one looks like it's in perfect condition. Yay. I'm gonna try gluing that other box together. Okay, take the lid off, and here's the item. Can any of you guess what it is yet? I think some of you will recognize it just from that little peek already. Has the original dust bag inside too, and it even has, it says everything. Has the paper with the Vuitton sticker, the tissue paper that it was wrapped in. That's pretty cool. Very happy with this so far. See if there's anything in the dust bag. Sometimes there's not. Sometimes there's the little care tags. That's where I put mine, is inside the dust bag. So it's the old dust bag with the brown letters. All right, let's get into this. I'm excited about this piece. I never thought I'd want one of these, but for some reason, it's weird. The last month or two, I'd had this item in my mind. Like, I wasn't obsessing over it at all, but I had thought about it a few times and thought, if I ever see that and it's in good condition, I think I might buy it. And then it came up, so I did. And it was such a great price, I have to tell you. Okay, here we go. It's the toiletry, it's the PM size in the Jungle Dots print, and they had two colorways with this, the red and blue, and there's a red and pink also. And the palm leaves are pink with red dots. And this is the colorway that I prefer. I'm gonna give you a little spin here. And I never thought that I would want a cosmetic pouch because of the slope on the side, because I like to carry things in my bags and SLGs, and when you have straight things next to it, they all tilt over and they all kind of slide down. I was thinking that this might be a good substitute for, right now I'm using the pochette accessoire as my catch-all in my bag, and I have found that I carry too many things, but I feel like I need all of them, and that is just a little bit smaller than what I need, so I thought maybe this would work better with the wider base, so I'm gonna try that out. And I also wasn't sure if I would keep this or not because it's a cosmetic and because of the shape issue. Like, I've never wanted a cosmetic because of that reason. Let's look at the corners and the bottom. Everything looks great. The patina looks great. It's like a brand new item. Let me look really closely at the zipper pull to see if I see any scratches. That's a telltale sign. There are no scratches at all. This is like brand new. And let me see if I see any chips in the color, like the screen printing. Not seeing anything right away. Any cracking on the edges. The edges are, they don't look like they're glazed. I've never looked at a cosmetic pouch up close from Vuitton. They're not folded over. Let me see if I can get that to focus for you so you can see the edge. So it's very thin there. You might be able to hear Roxy growling right now. She's attacking Baron, playing around, you know. It looks excellent on the outside. I don't see any corner wear. That's where you're gonna get some wear, is the corners and the zipper. So let's open it up. And it's stuffed with something. Looks like tissue paper. So nice. Oh, and the little care booklet and the card are inside. It says Louis Vuitton coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. And the care booklet says summer 2016. Find the English section. Oh, it's not Jungle Dots. I was wrong. It's Palm Dots. I'm going to read this short section to you. It says, faithful to the spirit of evasion and exoticism of the Cruise 16 show, which took us in Palm Springs and which took us, seems like it would say took place. It took us in Palm Springs in California. The summer 2016 collection explores two stories related to the heritage of the house. House is capitalized. Leaving the stony desert and the Californian oasis, Louis Vuitton takes us in a lush jungle populated by exotic animals through the Palm Dots print, revisiting the iconic monogram canvas in a both refreshing and feminine version. I guess this is the refreshing one because I would assume the feminine one is the pink one. Or are they both refreshing and feminine? I'm not sure. The dots pattern also gives an unexpected summery touch to the monogram vernis leather. Oh yeah, so you may have seen, I'll see if I can find a picture to put here. The vernis, the patent leather, that one doesn't have the palms. It's just one color and then it has dots on it. So that's what they're talking about. The resort spirit is also reflected in the chain theme. The key pattern of the Cruise 2016 and Spring Summer 2016 collections animates the iconic monogram canvas, true signature of the house and the Twist and Go 14 new classics. This chain, inspired by the nautical universe, subtly incorporates the emblematic monogram flowers in an oversized way, giving it a fashion twist evoking the 70s. In order, Then we get into care instructions. Do not scratch or rub the product against abrasive surfaces. And it goes on from there. I have purchased 2 handbags and several SLGs directly from Louis Vuitton, and I've never gotten a care booklet. Can you guys tell me, do they still include these with any of the bags? Because I've gotten 2 of them now. I got a care booklet. I don't remember if I showed you guys that. When I opened my Chanel Shop in Moscow tote, inside the zipped pocket there was a little care card. And then I think this is the second Louis Vuitton care booklet I've received with Preloved purchase, and I never get them with the new ones. Do they still give those? I don't know. Okay, let's keep looking at the bag. Inside, it has this bright red interior, and there's a pocket over here, slip pocket, and there would be somewhere a date code. Let me find that so you know where it is. Okay, I found it. It's very, very difficult to see, but it's inside the pocket right here. And there's no way you're going to be able to see it if I try to show it to you. That's my unboxing. I think the Real Real really redeemed themselves with this one after the spy bag fiasco. I think I may do a what fits, or maybe combine a what fits with a comparison to the pochette accessoire, since that's what I'm thinking of replacing that with. And then I would only use the pochette primarily as a small handbag. I feel like you could use this as a clutch too. It's so pretty, you don't want to just hide it in a bag. You want to take it out to lunch or something in the summer. I'm very happy with this one. And this, ladies and gentlemen, this whole package, just this item, oh, and I didn't tell you the price. This is why I shop at The Real Real. This item, according to The Real Real, wait, this is a tongue twister. According to The Real Real, resold, wait, let me start over. According to The Real Real, retailed for $420. If you know any different, let me know. Most places that sell this, if you look on eBay or Fashionphile or Yoogi's Closet, Yoogi's has pretty good prices actually. Most places, and Fashionphile definitely, are going to charge out the nose for this. They're going to raise the price dramatically because they know that there's high demand for it and that people are going to pay more than retail for a limited edition, very difficult to find piece like this, especially in this condition and especially with all the extras. The Real Real had it listed for $3.95, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is why I shop at The Real Real. Even though I've had the luggage tag issue and now I had the Fendi spy bag issue, things like this are worth it. Well, I am excited about this. I'm looking forward to using it, and I wasn't sure when I ordered it if I was going to keep it because of it being a cosmetic bag, but I definitely am, so there goes the tag. It's mine now. I think I might take it to lunch with me today as a little clutch, although it doesn't quite go with my dark green dress, so maybe I won't, or maybe I'll just change my dress. We'll see. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.